Welcome to the 2025 Southampton Boat Show. This is the Argo Yachting stand here on the marina. It's day one. Thought we'd give you a quick tour of the boats we have on display. This year we have a fantastic display of 5 Galeon yachts, starting with the 335 HTS, a lovely little 10-metre coupe boat. This boat is for sale and is available immediately after the show. Then moving along, we have the Galeon 410 HTC. This is a 2-cabin coupe boat on outdrives with a joystick. This boat is sold, but we are able to order another one for the 2026 season. As we go further into the range, we also have the Galeon 440 Fly. This is a 3-cabin boat on IPS. And here we have the Galeon 510 Sky. This is a 3-cabin boat with twin D11 725 horsepower. As you can see, we have the closing flybridge and the opening hardtop. It's currently in beach mode with the carousel. We'll have a quick look at that as we go past. As you can see, we have the carousel seating, and underneath here we also have a tender garage and a high-low platform. There's lots to look at on this boat. It's a fantastic model. As you can see here, we've got the balconies down and the bar area open. This boat is available for immediate delivery after the show. And finally on display, we have the Galeon 560 Fly. Again, it's a 3-cabin boat with 900 horsepower Volvos, D13s, currently displayed in beach mode with the balconies down, the bar area and the seating area. This boat features an enormous flybridge with a high-low platform here and a lovely saloon seating area and owner's master cabin down below. As I say, we are here from today, which is the 19th of September, all the way through until Sunday, the 28th of September. If you'd like to come along and see the boats that Argo Yachting are displaying, please go to our website, which is argoyachting.com, where you can find all information of how to get to the show and ticketing. We look forward to seeing you.